Deploying small outdoor access devices for Wi-Fi services, high-definition surveillance cameras, and small cell applications presents unique challenges. Property owners and utility companies expect the equipment to be installed quickly and with minimum disruption, but aren't always able to grant installers easy access to electrical power for these devices. Historically, small cell and Wi-Fi installations have needed both power and communications. Often, the network device can't be installed precisely where needed. This limits the effectiveness of the coverage area or services at that location. Hybrid optical cables have helped solve these challenges, but until now, the hybrid designs were costly because of the complexity of the cable construction. In response, CommScope developed the Powered Fiber Cable System, an innovative solution that allows fast, flexible, and precise installation of network access devices. This single hybrid copper and fiber cable solution requires no special tools for installation. Stress concentrators in the cable jacket allow fast, banana peel-style technician access, up to 5 times faster than traditional hybrid cables. The unique Power over Ethernet, or PoE, extender incorporates DC to DC electrical conversion, which effectively eliminates the problem of voltage drop over distance. 3 layers of electrical protection are incorporated into the extender to provide protection against lightning strikes, electromagnetic interference, and/or accidental grounding. The powered fiber cable system can be installed on a pole, building, rooftop, almost anywhere the network device is needed. The IP67 outdoor-rated PoE extender with built-in power management adapts for any voltage drop over a distance of 3 kilometers. That's up to 30 times the distance of traditional CAT cable systems. An integrated media converter allows installers to plug in any PoE-compliant network device using the CAT jack. For more aesthetic applications, the extender can be placed inside device brackets, effectively hiding the equipment from plain sight. Power and optical communications are delivered to the PoE extender using the unique hybrid copper and fiber cable solution. The cable holds either 2 mm or 1.3 mm diameter conductors and up to 12 optical fibers. Available in outdoor and indoor-outdoor configurations, the ruggedized cable can be easily buried, installed in ductwork, aerial-mounted, or routed inside buildings. Ordinary stripping tools provide fast access to both the fiber and conductor elements. The cable routes back to the head-end location and terminates to a rack-mountable power supply and fiber patch panel solution. The power supply shelf delivers 48 volts DC low-voltage power. Up to 32 network devices can be powered from a single power supply. The powered fiber cable system is a complete solution for powering and communicating with HD cameras, Wi-Fi, small cell, and other network devices at 30 times the distance of Power over Ethernet, while reducing landlord and utility negotiations and eliminating local power sources by using a centrally located uninterrupted power supply and carrier-grade electrical protection, and providing compliance with SELV and NEC Class 2. For more information on the powered fiber cable system, visit CommScope.com or contact your CommScope sales representative.